It is question number 23. Points A and B are 90 km apart from each other on a highway. A car starts from A and another car starts from B. Suppose it is A point and it is B point. First car starts from this point and second car starts from B at the same time. If they go in the same direction, they meet in 9 hours. If they go in opposite direction, they meet in 9/7 hours. Find their speed. Let speed of the car which start from A is x km/h and speed of car which start from B is y km/h. Case 1. When they go in the same direction. When cars go in the same direction. Let they meet at point Q. When car goes in the same direction, let first car goes in this direction and B car starts from B also goes in this direction. Then they meet at point Q. Then distance traveled by first car is AQ and distance traveled by second car is BQ. First car which start from A is AQ and distance equal speed into time. Speed is x km/h for first car and time is 9 hours. Then AQ equal 9x. Distance covered by second car which starts from point B is BQ and distance equal speed into time. Speed of second car is y km/h and time is 9. Then 9 by. Now we have AQ minus BQ equal AB. If we subtract AQ and BQ, we get AB. AQ minus BQ equal AB, and we know that A and B are 0.90 km apart. Then value of A is 9x, value of B is 9y equal value of AB is 90. Then we have first equation x minus y equal 10. It is our first equation. Second equation, when case 2, when car goes in opposite direction, when car goes into opposite direction, then let first car start from A in this direction and second car start from B in this direction, opposite direction. They meet at point P. Point P. Distance traveled by first car which starts from A is AP, and distance traveled by second car which starts from B is BP. Equal AP, and the value of AP is distance equal speed into time. Speed of first car is x and time takes 9/7 hours, means 9/7 into x. Now distance covered by second car, we have BP, and distance equal speed into time. Speed of second car is y and time is 9/7 hours. Since AP plus BP, we have AP plus BP. AP plus BP is equal AB. Then value of AP is 9/7. X value of BP is 9/7. Y value of AB is 90. Then we have x plus y equal 70. Is this x plus y equal 70 and x minus y equal 10. Add this equation, we get y cancel out, 2x equal 80. Then value of x is 40 km/h. It is speed of the car which starts from point A. Put x equal 40 in x plus y equal 70, means second equation. We get 40 plus y equal 70. Then value of y is 30 km/h. It is speed of the car which starts from point B.